Time don't reach for us to go bumper to bumper to the FVT of Big Brother Naija season 7. They call them those when they pursue come out the house, and they always come with open hands for them. We'll welcome them, give a hug of comfortability. May not be like say they can't feel like say they're lonely. And on top this episode of Big Brother interview, we get two gentlemen in the building. This is not the first time two gentlemen they evicted Abi. The first one was boy and girl, now, and they are missed. One a married man, the other one we don't know where they would not come you. I've been a boyfriend in waiting, but we shall not say this somewhere. You get the two of them did the video right now. I'm talking about Fan, Savvy, and the one and only Kes in the video, freshest.
That Kes. Babaki.
Normally, fresh people not supposed to come up for that Big Brother.
Yeah, it did.
You quit rush marry.
Abi.
You for fair go Big Brother for you marry.
Abi.
So with the young, we then get to know much about them, how their experience be for inside the house, and waiting the next for them.
All right, Farm Savvy, pharmacy/savior.
I know, right?
So what's gonna happen, man? The savior no save the day.
Man, I don't go lie, even myself.
Savior needs saving.
I don't know. But then it don't happen. Now the game is that. Maybe I've been no day too entertaining, but then I was just myself in the house.
Now they get problem with. You go take you several trying to get into the Big Brother house, and I believe say you they quick get up, they say they don't select you. So within that time free, una know they prepare to say, okay, this is now my strategy. I want you to enter the house based on previous one. See what I need to do for people to like me, so that they go continue to vote for me to stay inside the house.
Bros, trust me, you know we ask you the reason I'm not so it be for the house. Now when
people they use strategies.
Now when you enter, okay, you go reason say okay, now like this it be last year, make I use that one or two. But you know, say the game different this year.
People say strategy don't
you understand? Strategy just cast. Even if you go in with strategy, you must
people that change for some people.
Change big time.
You, Kels, if you say this house when they divide affect your game one or two way for this Big Brother.
Yeah, affect my game.
How it affect you?
Because we know win head of us now. Normally, one person go win, everyone go nominate.
Now we not sabi play game.
No, we don't get luck. Our luck. I don't know.
Trust me, we play that game well.
It was just hard luck.
In all sincerity, who you feel say it they sabotage your efforts to even win?
So
first
of all, when I come here, I come with the strategy of make I just chill for the first 2 weeks. But when I come actually need the win, but the win not be come. It not be come. No matter how I try, but it not be come. So I just say I hard luck. Because even when we get 2 against 1, we still lose. So you get the way the thing today.
Okay, so right now I be person. First of all, I'm a married man.
Okay,
just like you,
my colleague.
I've never been in support. I got speak English, but me understand. Say me married man, they go Big Brother house. Because if now me see them, they don't try convince me. Because if I go there, now 99 babies, they'll carry come out inside. Not be joke. We go get junior Big Brothers. So anytime I hear say married man, they go Big Brother, I'm like, are you really ready for this? All of us just say, yo, big shout out to Mike, right?
Yeah, Mike.
Mike did pretty well. But the rest people, all of us know their story. And even the one when they engage. Then when you come, you say your wife will understand anything when you do. So okay, I say this one don't cross in mind. They'll come and say your wife will not be even Nigerian mentality you get. So say okay, I told this people understand say you are going there for the game. Only if for reach there, you can't hold back. We can't be like okay, your wife not really give you permission to do as you like. And if you say you being married also affect your game.
Yeah, affect my game. Facts. Yeah, affect my game. Fact, but whether I did married or not, there are certain lines I wouldn't cross. So I be disciplined person normally. I like to flirt, I like to vibe, but I won't do certain stuff while camera there. Yes. So when I was
hold on, why camera there? But if camera not
so under surveillance, I not go do so many stuff.
Okay. But if without surveillance,
now you they talk out of my mouth. So but marriage or no marriage, I was just me. I enjoy myself. I flex my time. Every single opportunity when I get, I enjoy them. It's just sad. It's just this sad. Say when I come outside, people say they don't see me, but people at the house they feel my vibe. You know,
seriously, people not really see you. Because people feel say you too hold back.
And for some of us, we feel say maybe you don't want to they nominate you. Now why you don't really bring out your true self? Because at the end of the day, can't they be like say now those we don't almost reach the end, but we don't almost become HOH. Now then they nominate. Maybe now why you could just say make a lay back. I don't want today among the nomination list.
Naturally, I not be person with the rush. I be chilled person.
Okay.
So if you dey close to me, now you go understand me. Now you go, like if you ask people who did my level, they even they surprise me I come out.
Yeah, sure.
You know, because now them they see me, now then they feel my vibe pass for the house.
Okay.
So I dey work for small circles. So if you say level 1, level 2, you know, I'm not too mixed with them. I'm not only party with they see them. I want they do serious competition. You know, they want to do one kind.
Or maybe you feel say the people outside not feel because they expect say you supposed to do some certain
things.
But you not come down be like, this one not join at all. More make come out.
But the most important thing be say I come out with my pride.
Yeah.
I did proud of myself. My family they very proud of me, and that's the most important thing for me.
I respect that.
All right, Elo, maybe sorry. Sansabi. Now because I want to ask about Elo. Now why Elo first come my mouth. So you talk say before I enter the house, say Elo na your roommate.
Yeah.
So how you feel say now that same Elo put you up for nomination?
Trust me, I feel really bad because me and Elo we bonded. Like we talk a whole lot. I don't tell her my plans. I don't tell her how this money mean a whole lot to me. Waiting I won't use and do and and he tell me your own part. And you know when I hear like in BHOH, at some point I was really I come on say at all I'm my guy even if he here. So but they understand saying at the game. But me I no go lie. Person like me, as long as the option day, Elo na person I go like see for top 5. So you know say the thing really surprised me where Elo put me up. Even the next day, can't want to tell me plenty story. Bro, I beg, bros. You don't happen. Always when you talk now, make it I feel good. But you don't happen. But trust, I was not really happy with the whole Elo putting me up. Like,
I need to see where you get the power for. Baba the power.
Trust me.
On a serious note, even without Elo, they put you up. You feel say what you be doing inside the house. For guarantee you is
spot for the top 5.
For the top 5.
Yeah, trust me, if for guarantee me, although aside the whole, maybe if say no be level, trust me, I know say I for go far because even for my first week for the house, Brian don't come meet me say like we be sit down for the dining. Brian come me say offer this guy now our winner, this guy no get what, this guy they always a smile. If I look this guy, they always a get joy. You understand? Even beauty self talk the same thing, say savior if I don't ready to born, now you I'll come meet, maybe give me spam, make I
beauty.
Beauty like make I give her my spam.
Wow.
Yeah. So she just like as I dey smile. Say I smile, they give her joy. Say even if she dey think a lot, once she don't look me, she don't get joy. So you know, and she can't tell me say even if
why big brother push me go meet.
even if she they talk as even if people they nominate, say I go be the last person for their mind and all. So I just feel say the game, the way me I plan like the strategy, no be so EP. So I feel say that is why I don't really go far for the game.
Okay.
At all.
Still to you, fan savvy.
Yeah.
All of us outside notice say this season, it be like say everybody come with relationship mindset.
Apart from me.
Apart from you, because the married man will understand that one. Because when I enter, it can't be like say una not get boyfriend and girlfriend outside. The way una body they hot, this one hold this one, hold this one. But and also we don't know to say those where will try get involved when they know they accept. Now there be the few ones that they don't evict. Which include you. Exactly. So why you feel say inside the house nobody really feel you? Because I won't say you be guy for Amaka. Amaka guy for groovies. I be not be
no.
Give the fire.
So you not come pay
attention to me. Yeah.
Why you feel say Amaka not give you chance?
I don't really know because even though at some point Amaka tell me say me I be like person we day with Christy-O and I come now I tell her even when Christy-O they up front I tell her Amaka I like you why go be she say even me the way they smile too much it be like say I they joke with the thing and no
when beauty like now Amaka not like
sure you can see so at some point she gonna give me this she know one vibe even when I they try they more one put on for her body she know what I can't be like you know come be like say even at some point gonna tell me say me I can't do pity what I want play pity strategy come to win this whole thing. Like the girl they tell me a whole lot of things. That make me just make I give her space. Say before 1 or 2 go happen. They can say you understand. Say then Christy-O, me and Christy-O been there very close. Trust me.
But not be saying wait till be one for Amaka, you one for Christy-O.
Yeah. But then me I been feel say even as Amaka me they drift away from me and she no wants me. I know they say maybe Christy-O day for long. Maybe for come later get to know each other or maybe bond and all because trust me Christy-O are very sweet.
Una dey outside right now.
You get one talk where we say you get with beauty at a point where we say you no go mind may she become the godmother to your son. So now what's be the connection between you and beauty where we say out of every female or among the female housemates now beauty you pick say now you I want to make you become the godmother to my son.
When you meet people when you connect with you can't you know feel explain why. Once you don't connect with people, you don't connect with people. We just connected, and she be the first person I tell about my picking. I'm not good at to go and talk about my picking.
Your family, already.
You know, because I be very private guy.
Okay.
But somehow we spoke, and then I just said it, and I like Beauty a lot. Respect her a lot. It just did sad say she come out the way she come out. Even though I try to tell her, say, you chill, you relax, you focus. But it's just really sad. But and the matter be
so
that.
for someone where we say you talk to, you like Beauty a lot now, and so when she dey inside the house and groovy, she be get eye for. Now you dey inside the same house when Beauty leave and groovy start to the date Fina. As somebody wey like Beauty, at any point you tell groovy say, now my sister be the person where you be the date before she come out, and all of a sudden you don't move on immediately. Wetin dey happen?
At the same time, I still understand in a game.
Okay.
I know for a fact, say Groovy, they play a game where, although I know they support what they do, but na a game, and I respect that one say na a game.
I say Big Brother be not ready for that kind of game this time, because other people don't play and kind of like they successful to an extent. But for them to just stay there evicted like that with a short while.
Beauty.
Yes,
Nah, actions now. Once you don't drink
people
now.
Don't do close to it. Some don't even do pass in previous season.
No, now because you don't collect first
strike, second strike, third strike.
And the rules.
The rules of the
the rules,
Okay, when you dey inside the house, then news start to the waka around it by your baby. I believe by now you're supposed to dey follow. First of all, our condolence and deep condolence, and say party. Like most of us, especially some people, when that news break out, some people just get the mindset, oh man, this one really devastating. So Big Brother it's supposed to be a responsibility to let you know inside the house. Why some people be of the opinion say, oh, no bother stress, I may just play a game and whatsoever. Now when you come outside, waiting you for how you for one time.
I did shock say they beat me. I don't believe say they go beat me. I don't expect them. And when I come out, I can't notice they can't do the team can't they can't protect me one kind. So that people not gonna tell me sorry, man don't know ahead. So the next day they gonna bring psychologists and everything to talk to me.
Big Brother.
So shout out to the team. They did a lot. So but for me personally, I don't want my kind of come outside for public. Because now family issue. I feel like make they just make it not come outside at all.
But now your wife talking about and yourself. Now, might not like some people already through community say, okay, maybe they try one and take gather pity vote for you. But then, based on the serious part, I'll be like, no, it's not possible. Maybe it's just they try one express how she feel at that time. But you and your wife don't hear since then.
We don't talk. We are good. It was hard. It did very hard for us. Very tough. But we're good. We're really good.
So now when we say you don't come out of the house, you say Big Brother gets some set of people in the house apart from the real housemates. We get the rider, we get the fake housemates, and we get the real housemates. So now when we say you don't come out, you don't wait in the shop now. You go still wish to go into the house as the real housemate, fake housemate, or a rider.
I don't know. Me, I for no mind be like maybe if I won't go into the house, I for maybe fake housemates. You understand? Like because I believe say when Cheesy even come, say me and Cheesy really they bond like this guy. They we're talking a whole lot about Akwa Ibom. I want to go explore Akwa Ibom and all. So me I never know say my God.
Now cruise come catch.
Now cruise, that kind of cruise, that's a catchy cruise. You understand? Even though the money they very important to me, like I know say go do a whole lot for me, but then when you get that kind of cruise, that kind of commission, say bro, how they go anywhere? Like, if I feel blow you say nothing. I tell you get when she say them say me and you will come up for this house on Wednesday. I say guy they say you come. I suppose I say Big Brother say you come meet me like. No worry, you go see. Some point you call your papa, Mr. Akman. I say, guy, why do you call my papa? But then I just get chill about the OT. At the end of the day, we just and they, catch cruise and
So what about you, Kes?
Honestly, I feel like come as a rider. There's this confidence. The fact say they setting say you go date you for a long time. For us, we did the game, we don't have so much pressure. We they think too much. We they calculate everybody in our strategies.
I tell you,
we mind the way we talk, we mind the way we do. But if you be rider now, you guarantee say you go date till the end.
Yeah, even
so,
if you no win, no.
Yeah, you no go win normally now.
Yeah,
but not everybody go win.
Yeah.
But that platform go date the popularity.
You understand?
Yeah, you go there fit to do so many things.
Yes,
you go there at least to just do
and the rest.
Yeah, so rider shop.
Okay, I don't know who you be there on bed with when you be 11 when they try to tell you, like you were so macho. No, you are drunk. I know say you know.
Even me, I was drunk.
Yeah,
even me, I was drunk.
You see that tipsy from the way they talk slowly. You know, say yourself. The boy, you were able to control yourself. Now let you see the talks. I say talk and say, I don't want to do anything.
I want to save my marriage.
Yeah, I want to save my. I feel like how you say avoid that temptation, and why you feel say she be one now because of the drink. I be she did.
Now, but you know, say she deny her when she come last week. We asked her. She say no. No, Kat is my brother. I wouldn't try it.
Yeah, let me my sister. She's my sister. So what happened was just the alcohol.
Okay.
Me, I don't remember that thing for the house. That actually happened. Was when I don't come outside when they evict me, when they do my highlights, I can't see that this thing. They showed me for bed. I don't even to know the inside.
Okay.
You know, but fact is. Now the alcohol when I cause I'm not sure say she gets any because she respects me and she respects my marriage and she respects my wife. So she not get any bad intention.
But assuming say you not be married person now as you go the house out of the female housemates who you forget her is for assuming you know be married person.
Wahala for the house, I promise you.
this yellow boy
I promise you. Wahala for the house, I promise you. You don't take her from me. Wahala for the house.
But serious, what you go take the game when Groovy they play? You take as a game and be in just the be yourself. Or now the girls they get over
Groovy don't go
pink hair.
Groovy don't go show reality show before.
Okay, so there's Sabian.
So Groovy Sabi.
The arrangement.
Sabi so many things. So Groovy, yes, this is a model now. So Groovy don't go far away before for this kind of level. So you understand? Nobody else we just come from Benin, come from Warri. We know I be Warri boy, but it's for Benin. So we just walk into the place like you just enter us. We don't know
Groovy come with templates.
Yeah.
Jump from this girl to this girl.
This
one problem.
So
I know say based on fresh boy where he be now, you understand all those kinds. So girls they always do on top in matter like how far.
When I know they jealous.
Me.
I know the because that's what I think too.
Okay.
But before I'm taking
not serious.
So now you're normal vibe.
But which person relationship? When I not like pass inside the house.
Nah, Bella and Shex.
But you don't even date their house now.
I know the site of the only site they annoy me.
I swear.
At a point, I say girls not need to work for the party.
Yeah, but even for party, maybe Bella they try one near you before you know Shex don't come. They form. Okay, how far now? Like bro, how far now? You say calm down.
The girl will say I don't win the show. I will just nominate them 5 times. You know that they go ask.
But wait, why you say that they pretend that be not just read now so the two of them?
It was annoying because they know they express themselves, they know they explore, they know the
exactly.
just the two people. And once about relationship, you don't make it just in one place.
Yeah.
When me and Daniela we did cool, but when it comes to the date Khalid, you can't separate herself. So now what's the relationship they do?
Yeah.
So even if I
isolate from everybody.
Yes. You spend more time with one person. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So as I check to the internet now, I see where they put your net worth.
You say you want bread, though. Not small bread.
I know they suffer before I enter the house. But not because I get money at the same time. I know they also package my life.
And in dollars, not in naira. Actually.
I don't know where they see that one from.
Okay, that's the answer.
I just go when I know pursue my destiny airport. I just go beg now.
And for you too, they put your own to. They say your own to na $20,000.
That's what they rate me.
Yeah.
Even pharmacy, licensed pharmacists like me. How about now? We like me some credit, man. How far? We don't do me like that.
On the number, you want more than that, though.
I would need that confirm. I'm not denying that.
Okay, these are the most popular question we always ask all housemates when they are evicted. Now, Big Brother they make sure say he provide condom because Big Brother understand say now adults they bring condom the house and adult need protection in times like that.
Yeah.
So seriously speaking, between God, us, and when they right and everybody when present here right now, who you think say use the highest number of condom?
That question so.
No, I know say as a married man, you're a responsible man. You will not like to lie.
I didn't even see them. I don't see condoms. But I don't know. And I even more say condom they miss. Yeah. We call the joke about that.
But you suspect say you don't use the highest number.
Things we they go on we no go know. Come here, they sleep for night, go they hear noise. I know they know where the thing they come from. I don't know where they dark. Everywhere they dark, I know they know where the thing they come from. Now we know they see, but we know they see for nights. Okay. When I get infrared cameras, but we know they see everywhere they dark.
But you hear the hear noise.
I made this up because my room been different from Kes room. But it's also even though condom they miss or anything, go be that room because we for our room. If they near boys or they bring a Bible passage, they come say, "Alpha, this one, Alpha now." That Bible call it for you.
Bible for everywhere for that.
So I don't understand the vibe for them, but that I count the Kes. I count that condom. I say this condom, like I say 1 or 2 things. The person at dodgeball. I say we shouldn't be dodgeball with condom. Who they play dodgeball with condom?
But they say some people they intentionally blow them as balloon inside the house.
Me, I don't know. I don't see that one.
I see
those people lie. But they come out for some people.
Who talk that one? They go suspend those people. Khalid again. Khalid again.
You suspect Khalid?
No comment, please.
I can neither confirm nor deny that.
Okay, so on a funny note now, waiting na go. Should not funny or serious note. Waiting na go miss from the house as I don't come out right now.
I go miss the fact that I did TV. 1 month of,
Big Brother has.
Not be small, not be joke. I miss the parties. Okay. I miss the housemates. I miss Big Brother. Because we don't the cash cruise anywhere. We don't really send down with the house. I miss the whole package.
Okay. All right, Farm Savvy.
For me, I miss everything. I'm at the house. If you enter the house, trust me, you don't go.
You don't find for TV.
I swear. When I
the downstairs, so the white one.
The camera, they underrated the house.
No. Not the White House fine.
Not the talk so
yes. White House cannot be the color.
Enter that color. That road.
I hate the color and trenches. That's why I read trenches. But I go miss the house. Then the pool party, man. You get to chop barbecue, enjoy, drink day. You go drink, you go tire.
All the tasks where they bring money come.
All the tasks where they bring money.
I don't make. I don't say you make. I don't know.
So I win 4 tasks.
4 tasks.
Okay. But I don't know. Ebuka tell me say one of them are 1 million.
Yes, I know.
Okay. But that's the only thing they tell me.
Okay. What about
so
you?
So like me, I win like two for the house. Okay. You understand? So I don't really know because people always always say your reward will be communicated to you later. Okay. So as it stands now, I never really know how it go be, but I know say any how it be, I'm a superstar. Celebrity pharmacist.
So right now, whether we like or not, wish everybody know now why every single season people they almost want to fight and do anything just to
get inside the house.
Now major platform. Now when I don't come outside from that platform right now, waiting on a plan to use and do.
So before I enter the house, I'm a businessman.
Okay.
Majorly on businesses. Okay. I just pray say people give me opportunity to do business with them, to sell their brands and so on. Okay. So I did run what pure water factory. I get water factory for Bini.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and I did sell motor too. I didn't sell motor. I did import the fix it. Now Bini I did still now. So you know how it be.
Which type for Bini?
Supply now dey.
Now get motor. Yeah. Sell motor.
Yeah. So now I did to do that business. That business not stop. My water factory to expand them. Now that will be something. So now to put face to my brand.
Yeah.
So to expand the business, I go there also to expand the business. And entertainment, I want anything open for me, I go take them. And I won't go into movie productions.
Oh, nice.
No, you get the business.
Yeah.
Now you say your wife go just take the kissing where you go the kissing.
No, I think about not be acting mostly, chef. Production.
Oh, only production. Oh.
I go see acting figure, but
okay.
Yeah.
You go
majorly because I look business side of things.
Yeah. Okay. What about you, fam?
Well, like for me, as you know,
chemist.
I've
been a pharmacy.
More than chemist, like that's why I went with the name farm. Sabi, like me, everyone knows. Okay, this guy in a pharmacist, now licensed pharmacist and all. So I have a bigger plans in the whole pharmaceutical industry, like having a chain of pharmacy, going into importation, exportation, my own brands, like making my own medication and getting the big brand. That's why I really find connect. I beg, any IV, make them connect me. Then an NGO, very important. NGO go focus on drug abuse, drug misuse, and mental health. Because say before going into the house, you get people who go come pharmacy, you go by the time you relate with them one or two, you know some of these people, man, they need to, get one or two to talk to. Then also into real estate too. Clinical research, I beg. I was actually taking a course on clinical research before I came into the house. Yeah, so man, I don't mind clinical research.
Maybe through you now the vaccine to coronavirus.
God bless you, go call.
The one where other country don't produce. I
don't blow.
All right, so for Big Brother.
Then I'm also open to entertainment. Yeah, into entertainment we come to. I don't mind. You understand? Based on one or two smiles and dimples. Like
all right, so for Big Brother, for your fans, for DSTV and all the other brands, maybe say sponsor the Big Brother show, waiting with the last words maybe say you get for them.
I want to say thank you because I'll be just a regular guy with also my life. Before they see me, I don't pay €1. I don't know anybody. I just follow the processes and then ideas. I want to say a big thank you to Big Brother, to MultiChoice, to DSTV, to my fans, to everybody who support me. The love massive. I tell you, I see videos. I'm like, wow.
No, you represent the married man. You're not disappointed.
Yeah. So the love was massive. And let me just use opportunities. So please, because Instagram not let me rest. Now my third account I did so.
They take down
scatter my account, man.
Wow.
I manage now.
I don't know. I come out. I try to log in my account.
You're not going to log in again.
My people say now the third one I be the somewhere they open for me.
Wow.
So I bet if you follow me on Instagram on official king _ Kes, official king _ Kes.
That's KESS.
Yeah, on IG, Facebook Kes address. For Twitter, Sakes, say Naija Provu. For TikTok, Sakes.
There's a message to your fans.
Yeah, my fans. It's all love. I love all of una. Wanna continue to support me. Bigger things day for us. I beg. If I get opportunities, wanna let me know. I beg.
Okay, now you just also you did base. Both you and your family did base for Benin before, Abi.
My parents they worry, but me and my brother we did Benin.
What about your woman?
My wife, she did California at the moment.
So right now, based on this new platform, they plan to move because people always say moving to Lagos now good idea so that if you easily they connect, attend so event, they plan to move from Lagos.
Yeah, they plan to move from Lagos. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Fans have
Yeah, okay, for me, to my fans, man, una try where I really appreciate. To Big Brother, even for my dad, I tell him, Big Brother, I love you, die. Like, for this opportunity. Who I be? When Big Brother just pick me up, like, from the trenches. I say, man, a big thank you to Big Brother, all the sponsors, una too much, una try. I see my face for Rico Atlas, say, let me be this. So, man, like, thank you so much. Thank you, like, I really appreciate it. I had a nice time. Okay. I never told you know say people time say connect. I know say even as I come out, they ask me who you know. I know nobody. Trust me. I just did the whole audition and all, and Big Brother called me.
But now the first time we be able to na the audit with this.
No, my third time.
Third time for you, Kes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me na the first time. So So I just did thank you.
The other two they never say hi back.
I just say thank you. Then to my fans, man, thank you for the love, the support. Like I saw the love was massive. Like even from Akwa Ibom, thank you so much. I appreciate not too much.
Your social media handle.
Yeah, from my shop, I wanna follow una boy at Fam Savi. PHARMSAVI. I beg you see married man. I say you follow me.
No,
TikTok, na still Fam Savi. Twitter, na still Fam Savi. So everywhere good. PHARMSAVI. I beg, big things they come. They wanna support una boy in any way wanna fit. You understand?
Your joy they contagious.
I know, right? He said they contact her.
Anyway, we wish you that too success on top of this in a new journey, and we also now make good use of them. So in the coming years, we'll get to still hear una doing it.
So which song we want you to sign both of in our house? Which song we would like to listen to before we sign our house?
It will be Olademi Asake.
Okay.
But we don't miss a lot too.
We don't
miss a lot. Me I the vibe to Naija music well.
Okay, Omokwe abi.
Anyone.
We don't play Sungba remix, so Omokwe.
Okay, we'll give you Omokwe featuring Olamide. Which one you go like, Fam Savi?
I make people just do that one.
This one, no problem. Thanks for pulling up. We appreciate. My name is Sirime Water Bobby, MC Around B.
And my own name is Becca Blee.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.